Welcome to the ultimate guide for building a digital product business from scratch. Whether you're looking to create your first online course, template, or software tool, this blueprint will walk you through every single step you need to succeed. If you're serious about building a passive income stream and joining thousands of entrepreneurs who've escaped the 9-to-5 grind, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. We're covering everything from finding your perfect niche to scaling your business to 6 figures. Let's start with the foundation. Niche research. This is where most beginners fail. They jump into creating a product before understanding who they're actually selling to. Your niche is the intersection of 3 things: your expertise, market demand, and your genuine passion. You need to find a corner of the market that's underserved but actively searching for solutions. Start by making a list of problems you've personally solved. These are gold because you understand the pain points from experience. Next, validate that demand exists. Use Google Trends to see search volume. Check social media communities like Reddit, Facebook groups, and Discord servers where your potential customers hang out. Look for common questions and frustrations. Search Amazon and competitor platforms to see what's already selling. If nothing's selling in your niche, that's usually a red flag. People vote with their wallets, and no sales means no demand. Pay attention to pricing signals too. If similar products are selling for high prices, that's a healthy market. Competition isn't your enemy in digital products. It actually validates demand. What matters is your unique angle. Maybe you solve the problem faster, or you target a specific subset of that audience, or you teach differently. Your angle is your competitive advantage. Once you've validated your niche, it's time to create your product. The biggest mistake beginners make here is over-engineering. Your first version doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to solve a specific problem better than free alternatives. If you're creating a course, start with 3 to 5 core modules. Each module should have 5 to 7 lessons. Keep lessons between 5 and 15 minutes. Longer isn't better, focused and practical is. The content itself should be taught through your own lens. Share your real experience, not just regurgitated information from books or other courses. Your unique perspective is why people will buy from you instead of someone else. Include actionable steps, templates, and case studies. Digital product buyers don't want theory. They want implementation. They're paying for your shortcut to results. If you're creating templates, software, or tools, the same principle applies. Make it immediately useful. Someone should be able to use your product within minutes of purchase. Build with the end user in mind, not with feature bloat. Test your product ruthlessly. Get feedback from beta users before launch. That feedback will be invaluable and will drastically improve your product quality. Now let's talk about branding. Your brand is how people perceive your business. It's not just your logo, it's your entire presence. Start with clarity on who you are and what you stand for. Write a mission statement. Not a corporate mumbo-jumbo one, but something real about why you do this work. This guides every decision you make moving forward. Choose your brand colors and fonts. Keep it simple and modern. Most successful digital product entrepreneurs use minimal color palettes with clean typography. Your brand should look professional but approachable. You're not a corporation. You're a trusted guide. Your visual identity should reflect that. Consistency across platforms matters immensely. Use the same colors, fonts, and style everywhere. Your brand voice is equally important. How do you communicate? Are you casual and conversational, or professional and formal? Pick one and stick with it. Your voice should reflect your personality because authenticity resonates with people. In the digital product space, people buy from people they trust and like. Let your personality shine through your website, emails, and social content. Next is your website. This is your digital storefront, and it needs to convert. You don't need anything fancy for the beginning. WordPress, Webflow, or a dedicated course platform like Teachable or Kajabi will work fine. Your website needs 3 key pages: a home page that makes an immediate case for your product, a sales page that converts, and a thank you page for customers. Your homepage should immediately communicate the transformation your product provides. Not what it is, but what it does for people. Use a clear headline that speaks directly to your target audience's primary goal or pain point. Include social proof if you have it. Even early on, you can use testimonials from beta testers or friends who've used your product. Include a compelling call to action that guides people toward your sales page. Your sales page is where the magic happens. This is the single most important page on your entire website. Structure it with a problem statement. Then paint the picture of life after using your product. Then introduce your solution. Use bullet points to highlight benefits and features. Explain who this product is for and who it's not for. Include a detailed breakdown of what they'll receive. Add a money-back guarantee if you can. Finally, include a clear call to action repeated multiple times throughout the page. Keep your website mobile-friendly. Most traffic today comes from phones. Test on multiple devices. Page load speed matters too. Use optimized images and clean code. Your website should feel fast and responsive. Set up analytics so you can track where visitors come from and what they do on your site. Google Analytics is free and powerful. Track which pages convert best. Now let's discuss pricing, which terrifies most beginners. Here's the truth. You're probably underpricing. Digital products have incredible margins because your cost of goods sold is essentially zero after creation. Price based on value delivered, not your time invested. If your course helps someone avoid a $20,000 mistake or earn an extra $5,000 monthly, price accordingly. Start by researching competitors in your space. What price range are they in? That gives you a baseline. But understand that a higher price often signals higher quality. It also filters for serious students and reduces support burden. Beginner courses often price between $27 and $97. Intermediate products between $97 and $297. Advanced programs between $297 and $999. Premium one-on-one coaching goes beyond. Consider tiered pricing. Offer a basic version, a standard version, and a premium version with additional bonuses. This increases your average transaction value because some customers will upgrade. Include payment plans. Let people pay monthly instead of one lump sum. This removes a purchase barrier and increases conversion rates significantly. Never launch at your lowest planned price, then raise it later. Start at a solid mid-range price and lower it only when you have extensive testimonials and social proof. Early buyers will feel resentful if prices drop immediately. Marketing is where your product actually finds customers. Without marketing, your perfect product sits invisible. Start building an email list immediately. This is your direct connection to customers, not reliant on algorithm changes or platform rules. Offer a free lead magnet related to your product. A mini course, checklist, template, or report that solves a smaller version of the problem your paid product addresses. Use platforms where your audience already spends time. If you're selling to entrepreneurs, LinkedIn and Twitter might be better than TikTok. If you're selling to creators, YouTube and Instagram are stronger. Meet people where they are. Share valuable content consistently. Don't sell. Educate and entertain. Build trust first. Sales follow naturally from trust. Content marketing is your most powerful tool. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog. Share your knowledge freely. This establishes authority and gives people a reason to know and like you before they buy. When you help people for free, they remember you when they have the budget to purchase. YouTube is particularly powerful for digital products because people watch entire videos about topics they're interested in. Don't overlook paid advertising. Facebook and Google ads can accelerate growth, but they require budget and testing. Start small with $5 to $10 daily. Test different messaging and audiences. Track your customer acquisition cost carefully. If you're spending $5 to acquire a customer who buys a $40 product, that's not sustainable. Your goal is to acquire customers profitably. Email marketing might be your highest ROI channel. Once someone joins your list, you can email them repeatedly at almost no cost. Share valuable content, tell stories, and occasionally promote your product. A good open rate is 25% or higher. Click-through rate should be above 3%. If you're not hitting these numbers, your subject lines or content need improvement. Partner with other creators. Cross-promotion expands your reach into audiences already interested in your space. Host webinars or interviews. Collaborate on products. These partnerships build relationships and credibility in your community. They also provide opportunities for affiliate arrangements where partners earn commission promoting your product. Now let's talk about automation, which scales your business without scaling your workload. Your email sequence should be automated. When someone joins your list, they immediately receive a welcome email. Over the next few days, they receive a sequence educating them about your product and the problem it solves. Some people buy immediately. Others need nurturing. Automation handles this 24/7.